Unlock, lock, unlock. Oh, dead spider. Alright, so here we have, of course, as you can see, some after sales genuine parts. I don't know what that is, but inside this box is something that I've been looking for a long time, and this should be the box. Go on, spider, I done killed you. Go on. So in this bag should be the kit, a plug and play kit at that will give the automatic window function with your key fob. And as far as what I know, nobody else in the US has this module. At least I couldn't find any evidence of anybody who has this module. And it's supposed to be plug and play. So let's see if it works. And if it does work, there's going to be a link in the description below for this harness. And if it doesn't work, I'm just out of my time and my money. So let's get right into this. Alright, so since all of the directions are in another language, from my understanding, everything is going to plug into the driver's side door. So if you want an explanation on how to remove the door, you can go look at my video, and I'll put it somewhere on the screen for when I did the Bose video. In this video, it's going to be a time lapse. Alright, and there goes the door panel, the door handle, and the harness. So with this removed, let's see if we can see where this stuff plugs into on this harness. To me, the easiest thing is the big plug, which goes into the box. Oh, well then you ain't got but a few more plugs. Alright, so one goes there, and I guess this will be the harness that will go into the door. And then I guess that goes there. So this will go into the door, this will go into the door, and this one, maybe it goes into this one. Oh, well, yeah, it does. Alright, so that goes into the back plug, and then that plugs back into the door. So let's plug those in back to the door panel. Alright, boys and girls, we are back. So I had a little issue where the driver's side window was not rolling down, and then it ended up being the window 2 fuse and the kick panel was blown. So I guess just remember that before you start doing this, to unplug the negative battery terminal to make sure that you don't blow any fuses and cause you headache like it did with me. So now we are going to just put the negative terminal back on there really fast, and we're just going to verify that all the windows work. Alright, driver side, passenger side. Oh, driver side window being auto up down, all the windows is one button down and one button up. I did that. Make sure that the locks are working. Everything's working. So let's turn the car off, disconnect the negative battery, unplug the terminals, and get all this stuff buttoned up. the double-sided tape was not holding on the unit. So put some aluminum duct tape on it and a little bit of foam behind it to keep it from rattling. So if your double-sided tape don't hold, then you might have to further adhere it. So now it's time to see if the auto window module actually works. What it says do to get the windows to roll down is, I think it's unlock, lock, unlock, and then the windows should roll down front and then rear. Unlock, lock, unlock, and they should roll down. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. And then to roll them up, I think is lock, unlock, lock. Or not, or is it just lock? So I guess it's double lock to roll the windows back up. I'd like to thank y'all for watching my YouTube video. In the description will be the link to where you can buy the auto window module. And then in the eBay description will be what models that it applies for. All right, y'all. Until next time. Peace. All right, guys. I just wanted to show y'all, since it's daytime, a little bit better view of the auto window modules and how it works. That's what you do. If the windows are up and the car is locked, you hit unlock, lock, unlock. And then, if you want to let the windows back up, lock, lock. If you want to stop the windows, hit unlock. And if you want them to continue to go up again, just hit lock again. And that's pretty much the cliff notes of how the auto module works. Now there is also like a vent option. So the windows are already up, you really can't see it because I have my vent visors on here. It works well for me. So I can hit lock, unlock, lock, and then it will vent the windows slightly. I say probably about I don't know, it vented them just a hair, but they are vented. So I guess if you don't have window visors on your car, I guess to minimize the rain coming in. But if you want to let them all the way up, just hit lock, lock, and it closes the windows. And I believe if you do unlock, lock, unlock, and they go down, if you hit lock, or maybe not. So I guess there's no way to stop it once they start rolling down, but you can always go lock, unlock, lock, lock, and then the windows will roll up. Like I said, if you want to stop the windows from rolling up, hit unlock. If you want to continue rolling up, hit lock again, and then it will finish. So hope y'all enjoy that. Like I said, I will have a link in the description where you can pick up this module. By the way, a month and a half, 2 months to get it from China. So visit the link below. Make sure when you go into the eBay ad that you make sure you read what car it is compatible with, and plug and play. Nothing extra, no programming, no nothing, no coding. It works. So, alright guys, until next time, I will see you all later. Peace.